What I'll do into a business like this is I'll come in, we'll restructure things, I'll help restructure debt, I'll bring in outside employees that will bolster the profitability, or we figure out how to make things more efficient. And we tell the owner, get out of the business in 6 months, and we send you a monthly check for the rest of your, basically for the rest of your life. If you retired right now and you're like, I'm done, I don't have to work, how much are your monthly check would you like to receive? So you guys bought the business from somebody else?
Yeah, from this guy.
Did you buy it on like seller finance or something?
We did. We financed equipment.
Okay.
Got new equipment, and it over a napkin, and that's how I got a hold of the company.
Got it. Okay. So you basically were making payments to the guy as he was retiring, essentially?
But no, actually, we bought him completely out.
Oh, okay.
6 months, just getting
from the profit.
Yeah, from the profit. So what we did was rolled over the equipment, that new equipment we're buying, over. It was going back to him.
Got it. Okay.
And then so he finally got bought out of it, and then we just continued.
What are you guys making per month right now in this business?
The company's making about 40 to 50, because we've been slow, 40 to 50 grand a week. Yeah.
Okay, got it. So you're like $160,000 to $200,000 a month.
Yeah.
And then are you taking a paycheck, or do you take profits at the end of the month, or what do you do?
This way, what I'll do is get profit at the end of the year. I'm not going to take nothing from this company.
Okay.
Until we establish it a little bit stronger.
Okay, so this is newer.
Yeah, this is I bought it in May.
Oh wow, so this is like brand new.
So we're really just trying to go forward. And right now we're like about a little over 2.4 a year.
Got it. Okay, cool.
We have a lot of overhead.
So you bought his business for $2 million.
It was making 2. I bought it for 1.2.
Got it. Okay. And now you've bumped it from 2 to 2.4. Okay. If I came in and I started building the business, what's the first thing I should do?
What I would want to do is restructure our loans. That's what we've been wanting to do.
Okay.
Restructure the loan so that we won't have such a big hit. So figure if we have $38,000 a month.
And your total payments.
That's a big hit. So we were trying to get half of it.
Got it. Okay.
And it just so we could have more breathing room.
Have you guys gone to like an SBA loan or anything like that?
We did get an SBA. No, we got that, and we applied it to some of the stuff that we needed to do, some payments and stuff.
Okay.
And so it helped us a little bit for a while, and then.
But you have a current lender right now on all the equipment.
It's all leased.
Oh, it's all leased. Okay, got it.
That's what we got to lease.
So the $38,000 is your lease payment, or is that?
That's about when all the equipment done. That's what the whole equipment. That's the whole payment on the equipment.
Got it. So and all of it's leased.
Yes.
None of it's owned.
No.
What do you think the equipment's worth?
Right now?
Because I'd be curious if I brought somebody in that just like a private lender that came in and just paid off, bought all the equipment and then created a loan. So instead of you leasing it, you actually own the equipment and the payment goes down.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So an outside sell, are you guys keeping all the trucks busy?
Yes. Yeah, we're keeping them busy.
So all the trucks are busy.
Yeah.
You're maxing out on your profitability at, let's say, $160,000 to $200,000 a month. The only way you're going to make more money is either A, reduce your debt, or reduce your hit every month at 38 grand, or B, you got to get an outside sales rep finding more profitable work, or C, buy more trucks and get more employees. So I have about 700 employees in 9 different businesses, and I've got offices all over the valley. I don't deal with any of the businesses anymore. I just have really good teams that go in and handle everything. So the thing I look at is that you've been doing this for so long, you have all the information right here. And so it's easy for you to just do probably most of the stuff. So instead of hiring it out and then you go out and become an outside salesperson, you get stuck in the shop all day long, right?
Yeah, and here's the thing, I did a transfer from, before I got this company, I was in the truck.
Yep.
Doing sales, getting under the truck at night, fixing it, getting ready for the next day, looking for workers. I was, I was in farming it out.
Yeah.
And sort of took a toll on me. So, I'm right here trying to figure out there's got to be a different way.
There is. Yeah, there's got to be. Yeah.
You could, skin a cat different ways.
What are you taking? Like, for example, let's say a guy like me comes in, because what I'll do usually into a business like this is I'll come in and I will restructure things. I'll help restructure debt. I'll bring in outside employees that will bolster the profitability, or we figure out how to make things more efficient. And we tell the owner, get out of the business in 6 months, and we send you a monthly check for the rest of your, basically for the rest of your life. how much are you looking to, if you retired right now and you're like, I'm done, I don't have to work, how much of your monthly check would you like to receive?
20%.
20% of the gross. Okay, so 20% of the gross would be, for right now, that'd be like a $40,000 check every month. What about the land? Is this land owned by you?
We rent this.
Oh, you rent this, okay.
$2,900 a month.
That's it. What I would do on, I'm talking about helping him with his grooming business and helping him out with getting into real estate and all that stuff, which is the main thing that we do. But with your business, it's a lot more intricate, right? So for me, I would have to talk to your bookkeeper and go, okay, show me what's going on, show me the leases. I would go to my investors and I'd say, hey, let's come in here, let's buy out all the equipment, let's cut the lease payment in half. Yeah. That lease payment, 38 grand a month, is big.
It's huge. And so we're trying to get, we're gonna try for $1 million, pay out $750 and have some cushion.
Yeah, that's smart.
Just to keep going. Which will make it a lot better.
Yeah. Yeah.
And again, it's just like starting off new. And
so if somebody brought $1 million right now, that you would have no debt.
No debt.
Nothing. Not even on Dad's company.
No. It'd all be paid off.
All paid off.
And we
$250 in the account.
Yeah, we'd have about $250, almost.
You guys have any cash on hand right now? Or you always
have cash on, yeah.
Okay, cool.
And so we'd probably have and we have a line of the very revolving line of credit.
Yep. Who's that with?
That was with the Chase. We use it, try to pay off, and then use it again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just so we don't get caught up to that. You never know what's going to happen.
It's easy to use. I know. Believe me, I know. It's really obvious. The first thing that's got to be done is somebody's got to come in and restructure that debt. Because somebody like me, for example, if I came in and I said, hey, Rudy, I want you to go home half the day, and I'm going to bring somebody else in half the day, but I'm going to make sure you're still making the same check. I would come in with $1 million. It would boost the money. Then I could afford to bring somebody in to start automating and doing things. But you'd be making the same amount of money, and you'd be doing it a little bit more at home or go do something else. You got grandkids you want to spend some time with?
I have 12 grandkids I would love to spend time with. We've like last year we just happened after I don't know how many years we went to Florida.
Oh, cool.
With some of them.
But it would like be home a little bit more, right?
I don't want too much more years here.
Yeah.
I want to be out there taking their place.
Of course.
Yeah, because
you guys ever think about like traveling in an RV or something like that?
Yeah.
So your lease, all your leases, not the building, just your leases is 38 grand. Okay, so that's all the trucks, the trailers, everything. If you had 1 million, that 38 grand goes away to zero.
And leave a cushion.
Okay. What's your billing cycle with your clients? Are they paying you net 30, net 90?
We're at a week. We only have one guy that we settled with, because else I said we're going to need to pull out. They go from 30 days, right? And then he went 15, and so we're at 10. And actually, I'm going to be calling him. Now that you said that, I want 7 days. I'd rather have that than wait so much.
Okay.
Them holding on to it. But our main hauls, which is Ames, and we have 6 customers, they're all at about a week.
Okay. So the main thing,
not to go over 15.
Could you amplify your business with the equipment by doing more night hauls?
Oh yeah.
So if you did more night hauls, you could use the same equipment. You just trade out the driver.
Well, at that point we'd have to get all our trucks to 8 trucks running. If we did more night haul.
Okay.
But what we do, the same truck that hauls at night, they come and park. They come in at 8 at night. They work till 4 in the morning.
Okay.
The trucks are parked, and then about 5:30, the other crew comes in.
And they jump in the same truck. Okay. So do you have any trucks that are not working right now?
We have 2 trucks that aren't working.
And when are they going to? What
transmission?
They're going to be back online soon?
Yes. Yeah, they'll be back online.
So it's not like you have trucks out of commission all the time.
No.
It's like maybe every couple of months you get one that goes out.
The transmission, especially the automatics out, we've been experiencing that. So we got that one already back, and then another one goes out. This one that you saw here, he got laid on his side. And so we're going to fighting the insurance to buy, pay our lease off, what we owe. And I want to buy the truck back.